Starting around 20 September 2023, HEX for the most part is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in very most recent 60 minutes, which really is very huge. HEX generally has a complete market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, which generally is genuinely huge. This basically makes HEX by and large positioning at 206 in the digital money market, or so they sort of thought, which is very huge. On the off chance that you basically in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX truly be essentially worth in 2023? Is HEX an essentially in every practical sense wise venture or exceptionally sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large certainly enormous manner? Will HEX cost outperform its unequaled high, or so they essentially thought? These by and large are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, or so they generally thought. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost especially explicitly is supposed to basically cross an essentially extremely normal value level of $0.007, the normal in every way that really matters, all things considered. Least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to especially fundamentally be $0.007 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, HEX can explicitly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.007 in an especially really significant manner HEX value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX commonly sort of is in every practical sense anticipated to essentially really arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.006 and at least $0.005, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. HEX value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX by and large is truly anticipated to truly arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.006 and an in every way that really matters, least of $0.006 in an unpretentious way. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which for the most part is very huge, which certainly is genuinely critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.006 in an essentially significant manner. HEX value figure November 2023. The extremely normal cost of HEX might in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. So this sort of makes HEX certainly exceptionally positioning at 206 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. HEX could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.007, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.006 in a pretty in every practical sense significant way, in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX value estimate December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $0.007, while the especially certainly greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.007, by and large beautiful further appearance. How this truly makes HEX truly positioning at 206 in the digital money market, which basically for the most part is genuinely huge. The by and large normal cost for HEX explicitly is quite anticipated to for the most part reach $0.007 in December 2023, in an especially sort of huge manner. HEX past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 4.89% in its really current worth, which in a real sense is very critical. Assuming we quite the most part look at the pretty genuinely current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap certainly generally is likewise down. So in the event that we in a real sense analyze the sort of current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap especially is additionally down. which basically is genuinely critical in a truly significant manner. Hex in a real sense is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with especially genuinely other crypto coins. So Hex value expectation October 2023. The cost for Hex in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in a kind of large manner, which is genuinely critical. The Hex basically is down to nearly 39.39% in the sort of most recent 7 days. So the Hex is down to nearly 39.39% in the kind of most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of essentially past beautiful few days. The coin could by and large really have sort areas of strength for of yet. We don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment. Or so they sort of thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex sort of diminished by 92.698%, disposing of an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.072 from its really current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down especially for the most part implies that the coin certainly truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally truly be a great by and large for the most part purchase and open door for pretty fast speculation, exhibiting that generally is Hex a very especially wise venture, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023. The 90 days cost change especially is near 77.60%, and the cost commonly most certainly circled from an extremely in every practical sense least truly normal cost of $0.024 to especially greatest really normal cost of $0.027 in the sort of in every way that really matters recent days, demonstrating the way that besides Hex can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.007 in a genuinely beautiful significant manner in a significant manner. Hex generally is somewhere near 69.20%, with the truly greatest especially sort of normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.023, and the very least kind of typical cost of truly generally was around $0.021 and entirely beyond 4 months, showing that this in every practical sense makes Hex fundamentally certainly positioning at 206 in the digital currency market, which basically is very critical. Hex value conjecture 2023 facts what will for the most part commonly be Hex entirely worth in 2023, or so they generally thought, which is very critical. The Hex cost by and large is estimated to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of sort of greatest degree of $0.007, with kind of in every practical sense least cost of $0.007 toward the finish of 2023, showing that this unexpected down basically implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good for the most part purchase of